Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy gift cards on Afterpay. So in order to do this, you first need to come to afterpay.com. Then once you are on this page, you just have to scroll down, and if you are residing in some another country than United States, then you need to first click on this location section, and among these given countries you just have to select your own country. So what this setting will do is it will show you the respective gift cards available. So in order to find the gift cards, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you will have to search for the gift card that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase the DoorDash gift cards, so I'll simply type DoorDash in the search bar, and it is showing me no results because it is not available. So let's say I search for gift card, and now you just have to press enter. Once done, it will show you the available gift cards like the Airbnb gift card. So you just have to simply select the gift card in which you are interested. Sometimes the gift cards are not available, so you just have to keep on checking on afterpay.com whenever your desired gift card is available. So once this step is done, it will redirect you on this page where you just have to simply enter the amount of gift card that you want to purchase, and then you just have to conclude your payment. Afterwards, you will be able to use that gift card on the official website of it. So this is how you can easily purchase gift cards on Afterpay. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.